Hi, my name's Adrienne. I make What's for Dinner videos. I am also the mom of two extremely picky eaters, always trying to introduce new foods, although this video isn't about what they will or won't eat, but a collaboration of some awesome ladies here on YouTube, hosted by Sarah at Sarah's Realm. I will have her channel and the playlist linked in the description box below. She had a fantastic idea of making recipes that you cook in your air fryer. I love my air fryer. It is one of the best kitchen appliances I've ever bought, and let's get right into the video. My first recipe is Southwestern Egg Rolls. It's really easy to put together. You're going to shred a rotisserie chicken, drain and rinse a can of corn and black beans, chop up some green onion, and then you're going to season it up with some avocado salsa, seasoned salt, cumin, pepper, garlic powder, and some ranch seasoning mix. And then I also thought it needed a little bit more creaminess, and so I added a little bit of Sriracha Mayo, and this was warm and tasty and so good. I spray it with a little bit of avocado oil, set my my air fryer to 350 and cook it for a couple minutes until it's golden brown and delicious. I love this recipe because it makes a ton. It would be fabulous for the upcoming Super Bowl. It's a great appetizer, or it's hearty enough to stand on its own. So I had enough for my dinner tonight, and then I froze the rest, and we will have dinner a couple weeks from now. I'm using wonton wrappers, and if you've never used those before, they are found in the refrigerated section of your grocery store. Mine are located by the vegan aisle where like the tofu is, and they are really easy to assemble. They have little directions on how to wrap them. It's like a little envelope, a cute little burrito, and then you seal them with a little bit of water, and these wonton wrappers get nice and crispy and crunchy, and they're super, super tasty. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you be a part of my YouTube family, and don't forget to check out the rest of the ladies in this playlist. It will be linked in my description box below, and look at that perfection. These were so good. My next recipe is hands down my favorite vegetable side dish in the air fryer. It's zucchini chips. You're going to need one zucchini thinly sliced, and then you're going to make a dredge out of some egg and whole milk and panko and a whole bunch of seasonings. I think the secret ingredient to this recipe is the smoked paprika. The smoked paprika adds such a warm, kind of toasty, spicy flavor without being too overbearing. Oh my gosh, these are so good, so nice. I made them twice, and we really enjoyed these. The key to getting these really crispy is making sure that the breading really sticks. So you're going to want to really push down on the zucchini chip and get it covered on both sides and then put it on a wire rack. You have to use the wire rack or the bottom of the zucchini chip will get all soggy and nothing will stick. And if these dry out a little bit, even better. I always preheat my air fryer for 3 minutes as per the directions, and to make sure that when my zucchini chips or whatever I'm cooking go in, they start to fry immediately and it cuts down on the cooking time. My favorite cooking spray of all time is avocado spray. I get mine at Costco and I like it because it doesn't add any kind of overbearing strong flavor like an olive oil or a butter would do, and you only taste the food, and it makes the food what you fry so crunchy and crispy and delicious with no aftertaste, just what you cooked, and I really like that. My next air fryer recipe is a breakfast hash. Your air fryer doesn't have to be solely for chicken nuggets and french fries. I like a dish like this because it's one pan and less cleanup, and so for a busy mom, that's always a plus. And I love a good savory breakfast hash. So in this hash, I have some red potatoes, onions, bell pepper, and some andouille sausage, and then I'm going to season it up with a whole bunch of delicious spices like seasoned salt, pepper, turmeric, ranch seasoning, and my favorite, which is smoked paprika. I cook my potatoes first because they are a lot denser than my other ingredients, so I do it for about 10 minutes and then I kind of zhuzh it around, and depending on how done they are, I will either remove them and cook my veggies, or I will combine everything together, and then I always serve it with some scrambled eggs and some nice spicy salsa. My husband and I really love this meal, and I think you guys will too, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I'd love to be able to give you some motivation to cook for your family more. My last air fryer recipe is this tortilla hack that has been floating around all of social media, and I really wanted to try it. So I have a combination of honey ham and some smoked turkey, bacon, avocado, and my favorite salsa. And I got it in my air fryer, but I have to say the air fryer was not the place to cook these. The edges of the tortilla started to burn a little bit, so I ended up pulling it out and finishing it in a skillet with a little bit of avocado oil, and that was the way to do it. But I absolutely love this because this is so versatile. You can literally make make it in so many different ways that your family likes. You can do like a caprese one with basil and mozzarella cheese, or you could do a salami and ham one. I mean, the options are endless. So I wanted to say thank you to Sarah for hosting this collab. Don't forget to check out her channel below, and after you're done watching my video, go check out the rest of the lovely ladies who participated. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next one.